Good morning, angels. I woke up real late.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
It's like 2 p.m. right now. I was thinking about what I'm doing today. I kind of made a plan a little bit yesterday. But I think I'm going to... Do you guys hear all that noise outside? I don't know what that is. The plan for today is going to be filming a thrift haul for YouTube, cleaning my room, maybe going to the library, and I want to get some crafts done today because I feel like the last few days I haven't been making crafts, and I just feel like that always makes my day a little bit less good. Like if I do a craft, it's a little bit better. By the way, I want to show you guys my one of my updated planner colors. If you guys watch my videos, you might have seen the original one, which I had for the longest time. It was like one option for the color, and then there was like a weekly, daily planner, a checklist, a monthly one, something like that. I forget all of them, but I ended up remaking the colors for them so that there's different options. This is one of the ones that I'm using. The weekly one is the main one I use. Guys, I just got the best news. My sister said she wants a tea party, and I love tea parties. If you guys watch a lot of my videos, you might know that I love tea. I was brushing my teeth, and my sister was like, do you have a tea party? I was like, of course. I love a good tea party. Let me tell you guys the staples, okay? Essentials to a tea party. You need a cute little teapot. Oh, I didn't repaint my nails yet. Oh my god. I have to do that before I film my video. I just feel like if I'm doing a vlog with you guys, it's like we're fine. We're on FaceTime. If I'm doing a thrift video, maybe I should paint the nails a little redo, because this is how you know school has been kicking my ass. But back to the essentials for tea party. Teapot, a cute little set of teacups, the little plates. You need amazing tea, of course, and an amazing barista. And my sister's also pretty good at making tea. And you need, this is like me and my sister, like our little tradition, but we love having like Disney movies, especially Disney princess movies, while we're having our teas. Lately, we've been watching Sofia the First again, because when we were kids, we watched some of it when it came out, but then it came out, and then we watched it for, I don't know, maybe a few months, and then we ended up moving to Macedonia for a year, so we didn't have Disney Channel. We didn't keep up. So now we're rewatching it, and it's honestly a fun, good watch. I really, enjoy Sofia the First. And of course, we asked the question, would you like a cup of tea? And then, and only then, do you pour the tea. Oh my god, guys. I'm looking around in my room, and it just feels preposterous. I don't even know where to begin. I'm not even gonna lie, every corner of my room looks like a hot mess. I just have too many things in my room and I have nowhere to put them. basically only cleaned like that part of my room and a few other little random areas, but we're gonna leave it at that for now. And it's gonna be a process. We'll figure it out. I want to do some redecorating a little bit, so through that I'll figure out like where to put stuff, and like I'll get rid of stuff too. For today, I think I want to wear, I'm gonna see if these even fit me. I thrifted these recently. They're part of the thrift haul that I'll be filming today, but if these fit me, I'll keep them and I'll wear these. And I'm thinking of having this kind of like, it's kind of like a tube dress. It's a little bit of like a dress slash long top. I might wear that on top and then we'll jewelerize. So we had a little kerfuffle with the outfit, but at the end of the day, we made it work. The one thing I'm not sure of is if I rather do the hat or no hat. The thing is, the hat's a little, if you look at it more closely, it's a little fucked up. Like, it's cracking right there and it's like all bumpy. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys can't really see the entire outfit, but I'm wearing these capris. So what I'm probably gonna do now is paint my nails. I'm gonna do probably this purple. It's a dollar store nail polish. Honestly, they're pretty good. Like, if you're on a budget, just get it from the dollar store. It's fine. It's not like it lasts, but like whatever. We can just reapply it. It takes 2 minutes to put on. But yeah, I'm thinking purple. I always do like either a brownish, a mauve-ish, or a purple-ish for my nails. I have like a brown kind of gray that's fading away right now and it's just not cute, so we're gonna paint them purple. Oh, hold up. I just feel the immense need to share this cute little figurine I thrifted a while ago. I don't think you guys understand how obsessed I am with it. I love fairies. Like, I would love to be a fairy, you know. And so pixies, fairies, I love them. So when I saw this, I was flabbergasted. Like, the detail is beautiful. So it's like this fairy and she's reading or journaling, and it's like this stack of books, and this flower is a lamplight, so I need to get new batteries for it. So I just filmed the thrift haul. You can probably tell by looking at my bed. I should probably take some pictures of the pieces for the thumbnail. Probably get to that now. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about like YouTube and my thumbnails and stuff. So I posted a vlog, I think literally yesterday, and I feel like it's like doing pretty good, you know, compared to my recent videos, and people are commenting that they enjoy the vlog and all that. So I'm like, okay, good. Like, I like that people enjoy the vlogs, so I should do more vlogs. Because initially in my head I was like, I don't know if I know how to make a vlog like work. I don't know if it, like, it's just a mess, you know. It's entertaining, and I'm happy to know that everyone enjoyed that vlog. This one, I don't know, I want to kind of match the structure of that one because people liked it. This is probably already excessively longer, way more me talking away, and I don't know if that's like what people are gonna want for the vlog, so we'll see. But I was looking at my older thumbnails and it made me realize I really prefer my recent thumbnails, so I'm happy to see that I have evolved with my thumbnail making, I guess. So that's fun. And I don't think I talked about this on this channel yet, but with YouTube, I have been torn between making thumbnails that I want to make versus making the ones I think will get more views. So the ones that I feel like get more views are the simple ones. I think I'm going to stick to making thumbnails I want to make. Maybe sometimes I'll do a simple thumbnail if I'm feeling it. I mean, I'm never feeling a simple thumbnail, but maybe, I don't know. We found it. We found the affordable cheese, thank God. We're on a mission to find the puck dip for chips. I haven't had it in a while. I actually had it once and I loved it. And then I kind of forgot about it, and now I've been craving it lately, so I'm looking for it. Guys, I'm ecstatic. I have not yet found the puck dip. But what I did find is, ooh, I'm stepping on my headphones right now. But I found my favorite pepperettes. It's like, I've never gotten the Costco size, so it's like 600 grams, I think, for $15.99. I hope it's not a ripoff. I think it's good. I don't know. I haven't been buying pepperettes much the past year because the price has like doubled, as have the prices for a lot of different grocery items. So I think I'm gonna get it though. We just got back from Costco. We're not going to the library. I think they like probably just closed. I don't know. Because we were still in the store when it was 8 and they closed at like 8:30. I want to show you guys the shoes that I'm wearing with this outfit. I thrifted them. Oh my god. This angle. I thrifted them a little while ago. Maybe a few months ago. Like 3-ish. They're so cute. I love Converse. They've been my favorite shoe brand since maybe middle school. I mean, when I was younger, I wanted Converse, but they were like too expensive or something for my family. I don't know. So I got my first pair my first time back home in Macedonia. So in Europe. Or actually, no, I got them when I was in Greece. It was a pair of low like Converse, and they were like a turquoise, like a bright fucking blue, and I think that was my first pair. And then I got like a hot pink pair of high tops. Eventually got black ones, and those, oh my god, shredded them to pieces every time I bought a new pair. I would wear them for a year and then I have to get a new pair and whatever. And I would just like thrift all of them, but I think I have 4 different Converse shoes, and they're my favorites. Anyway,